Namaskar and welcome to eLearners Hub ASP.NET series. In this video, I will demonstrate you to install Microsoft SQL Server 2012 that we will be using as a backend for our ASP.NET practicals. So let's see how to install Microsoft SQL Server 2012. So for this we need the SQL Server 2012 software. So here we have got the ISO file of the Microsoft SQL Server 2. So you click on the setup to start the installation. You double click on the setup. So installation is normally similar to the installing process of any other software. So after double clicking the setup file, we'll see the SQL Server Installation Center, that is the installation wizard. So it shows you the hardware and software requirements. So all these details you can just click and go through. Click on installation directly. Now what do we want to install? So new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to existing installation. So we click on this, the first option. This will launch a wizard to install the SQL Server 2012. Click on OK. Click next. I accept the license terms. Click next. So it will check for the updates. Skip the updates and click next. Next, select the SQL Server feature installation. Next, select all the options that are provided here. And next. Here it will ask you for the instance name, that is your SQL server name, so we'll keep it as it is and click next. And click next. Here we don't have to do anything, just simply click next. Now here you have to provide the authentication mode, so we will select the Windows authentication mode and you will click on add current user. So whatever is the user of on your machine, so whatever username has been created on your machine, that will be added here. So this is what is the username for my machine, and click next. Same here for data mining, add current user. So we have selected multiple packages here, and finally we'll click on install and configure. So click add current user. So wherever it asks you for adding the user permissions, we can click on add current user. Click next. So you have to provide your machine name. So this is my machine name here. And click next. Next again. Next. Start the installation. So the installation has started. It will take some time for installing. So here we finish up with the installation of SQL Server 2012. Now the system will restart. So in order to complete the installation process, we have to restart our system. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section, and also encourage us by clicking on the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos uploaded on our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Goodbye.